Hey besties, I'm in Houston. I need my hair done, so I went back to the same people that charged me $760 for Boho Knotless Braids. And this time, my braids were $985. The name of the salon is The Luxe Experience in Houston. I got there at 6 p.m. last night. I had a private room for my appointment. I knew that was a charge. I got a wash. I knew that was a charge as well. I love how soft and gentle she is with my hair. My hair is very fine, so I hate when people are like super tough with it, you know? We bust down that good part and we get it started. It's about 7 p.m. at this point. I know we're in for a long night. So they offer me snacks and champagne. Of course, I take the champagne. And I get comfy with my Netflix. And about 11 p.m., this is where we are. So we're getting through. We get a little stuffy, so we actually go out to the open area once everybody leaves. And we keep it going. This time I got Boho Knotless Braids extra long. As you can see, it's super long. I opted for these curls at the end, but I'm not gonna lie, when I saw them, I really didn't like them, but that's not their fault, that's my fault. I'm a Libra, I'm indecisive AF. But either way, I do love my hair. Look at the parts, so clean. I leave out at 5:30 a.m. So this is today. I do my baby hairs all cute. I did my hair in some hot water to loosen up the curl. What do y'all think? Was it worth $985? Let me know. Bye.